Show me how you eat from a spoon. Don't forget the spoon, Joe. Get the spoon. Do it. Put it in your mouth. Num, num, num. Num, num, num. Yeah. Where's that spoon gonna go? In your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Yay! 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 Great job! Putting the spoon in your mouth. You're so awesome. Would you like to try it again? Put it right in here. Yep, good job. Good. Now put it in your mouth. That's the yummy stuff, huh? Put it in there. Put the spoon inside. Put the spoon inside. And then you put it in your mouth. Let me help you, silly goose. All right, fine. I won't help you. Do it yourself. Put it in your mouth. In your mouth. Right here.